This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Celeste Ukashevsky. This custom stick-built colonial charm, located in the prestigious neighborhood of Bishopsgate, is a sure crowd pleaser. The grand foyer with its classic oak staircase draws you into a voluminous open floor plan that was designed with entertaining in mind. The stylish and efficient kitchen blueprint incorporates custom finishes, gleaming maple wood flooring, and an impressive island with a breakfast bar. The separate breakfast nook with a view of the peaceful tranquil backyard and in-ground pool makes a cozy area to sit and enjoy your morning coffee. The elegant formal dining room offers even more space to entertain. The family room offers a dramatic focal point with its gas fireplace and abundance of natural lighting. The main floor also features a private office for those of you who work at home. The two-car attached garage allows for easy access into the home. The mud room and main bathroom are conveniently located off the kitchen for easy access to the in-ground pool and the private backyard. Upstairs you will find 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. The owner's suite includes a generous closet, bonus storage space, and a private bathroom. The lot is oversized and lined with mature trees, giving you a privacy buffer. The lovely landscaped property features lighting and cheerful floral along the classic pathway and stone walls. Located close to the Village of Saugerties, the Hudson River, Falling Waters Nature Preserve and bus route. Call to book your private tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Celeste Ukashevsky at 845-336-2633.